Good morning, class 10. Student, exercise 5.3 is continued. Question number 4. Question is, how many terms of AP? AP is 9, 17, 25 and so on must be taken to give a sum of 636. Student, we have to find n. And we have to find, this is the Sn, sum of n terms. Now, formula for Sn. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is 636 equal to n by 2, 2 into a is 9 plus n minus 1 into d. Student, here d equal to 8. D equal to 70 minus 9, which is 8. Now, 2 is common here. It is 9 plus n minus 1 into 4. 2 cancel. Then it is n into 9 plus 4n minus 4. We can write it 9 minus 4 is 5. So it is 4n square plus 5n equal to 636. Now 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. We have to factorize this. So 636 into 4. When we divide by 4, we will get 636. Then by 6. 6 1 is 6, 0. 6 6 is 36. Again by 2. It is 53. Now 24, 2 is 48. 53 minus 48 equal to 5. So we can write 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. Here n common, so it is 4n plus 53 minus, here let us take common. So common is 53. Here 4 common. N. Now if we take 48, no, 12 common, it is 4n plus 12 5 is 63, 12 5 is 60 and 50. 12 5 is 60 and 12 3 is 36 equal to 0. So from this we will get n minus 12 equal to 0 and n equal to 12. Since n cannot be negative, so value of n is 12. So answer is 12. How many numbers we will take to get the sum 636? So there are 12 numbers. Student, now next is question number 5. Student, question is the first term of an AP is 5. It means A equal to 5. And the last term is 45. Therefore, L equal to 45. The sum is 400. It means Sn equal to 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Student, we have to find N and D. Student, as you know, there is a formula. See the solution. Sn is n by 2 A plus L. Sn is given 400 and we have to find A equal to 5, L is 45. Now it is n by 2 into 50. It is 400. Let's cancel it. It is 25. Now 25 is 25. 15 is there. 25 6 is 150. So n equal to 16. Value of n is 16. Student, now there is a formula of L. What is L? L equal to An and An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Since L is 45, so 45 equal to A 5 plus n minus 1 and common n is 16. 16 minus 1 into D. Now here 45 minus 5 is 40 equal to 16 minus 1 is 15 into D. Therefore, D equal to 40 upon 15. 5 3 is 15, 5 8 is 40. So value of D. D equal to 8 upon 3. Or we can write it is 2 whole 2 by 3. D is 2 whole 2 by 3. Student, now next is question number 7. Find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP in base D equal to 7 and the 22nd term is means A 22. It is given 149 and you have to find S 22, that you have to find. Student, here we are not knowing the first term A, so we will use the formula An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 149. A that we have to find, n is 22 minus 1 into D is 7. 149 equal to A plus, it is 21 into 7. A plus 7 means 7, 7 to the 14, 149. From this we will get A equal to 2. Now there is a formula of Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L. L means last term, so it is A22. Now n equal to 22, so it is 22 by 2. A is 2, it is 149. It is 11, so it is 11 into, that is 151. 11 means 11. Carry 1, 11 5 is 55 or 156. Carry 5, 11 means 11 and 5 16. So sum of 22 terms S22 equal to 1661. It is 1661.